Welcome. This is the homework solution for week 2, Monday, the 9th of the 12th. The first one says describe whether the following transformation is a translation, reflection, rotation, or neither. To do this, we have to first define these words. So I'm going to write it for you here. Okay. Translation. Another word for translation is our slide. Okay. When things slide, we call that a translation. Can I write that? There it is. Slide. Okay. That is what we're going to write for translation. Reflection, that is our flip. Anytime it flips, we will write reflection. Rotation, that is the turn. Anything that turns will be a rotation. Okay? If it does not slide, flip, or turn, it is neither. Alright, let's take a look at this. The first one, we are going from the red to the blue, or the blue to the red. Okay, so in this case, we are going to go from the blue to the red. Right? So, let's grab this. How do we go to the red? Okay, let's see. Did I slide? Yep, I just slid. Notice it started here and it slid all the way here. The fact that it slide, this is called a translation. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's slide it. Did it slide? Nope. It's not slide. Let's try it again. Let's see if it's something else. What about, let's rotate. Okay. Nope. And rotate it again. Oh, there you go. That looks like it's 180-degree rotation. Or we could have just, okay, or we can flip it horizontally. Right? Can we flip it horizontally? Okay. And we flipped it vertically. Right? Oh, that also works. So this has two answers. We can say this is a reflection. Okay. We could say it is a reflection. Or we could say it's actually a 100-degree rotation. We could actually, this can be both a rotation and a reflection. Okay? Let's do this one. Okay, let's test the first one. Can it slide? Nope. Can it rotate? Nope. Can we rotate it again? Nope. Doesn't look like it works. And let's flip it. Nope. Let's flip it again. Oh, that works. Flipping horizontally works. So we flipped it across a vertical line. So if you want to see it, there is a line right here. Let's make that brown. There's a line right here. And this is going to be called the line of reflection. Right? And we can call this a reflection. Next one, the cross. Right? We started here. Let's slide it. Perfect. Slide works. So we can call that a translation. What about this one? Let's test out the first one. Boom. Slide works perfectly. So slide translation. What about this one? Grab the red. Slide it. Didn't work. What about rotate? Anything? Nope. Rotate it again? Nope. Rotate again? Nope. Doesn't seem like it's gonna work. Let's flip it. Nope. Let's flip it. Nope. Didn't work. This must be neither. Okay? Or neither. 9 is neither. It doesn't work. It's not a translation, not a reflection, not a rotation. Okay? Next, we're going to apply the three types of rigid transformation to the image. Here's our original. First of all, we're going to translation. Okay, so let's do the translation one. Here's the original. Okay, and the new one is going to be slide. So I'm going to slide it to the right. And I can make this, let's see, can I make it red? There you go. Okay, that is our translation. Grab this. This is reflection. Okay, grab the original. Okay, what do I want to do with the original? I am going to right click. I'm going to reflect it. Okay, there you go. I'm going to draw the line of reflection to make sure it's clear. Reflect it. That's our reflection. Grab the original again. This time I'm going to rotate. Okay, so here you go. I'm going to rotate it. Boom. Okay, it's kind of weird because when you rotate this paint cuts it off by accident. So hopefully you can see it. Right, and this is your rotation. Okay, so there you go. This is all your homework solution for Monday, August the 12th.